Hello, welcome. Let us understand JDK, JRE and JVM that make up the Java environment. JDK means Java Development Kit. It contains Java compilers, Java debugger, jar tools and other Java doc tools which generate the documentation from the Java comments. And within this JDK, it also contains JRE, which is a Java runtime environment. If you want to run any Java based applications, you need to have a JRE. If you want to develop a Java based application, then you need to have a JDK. And within the JRE, it contains JVM, Java Virtual Machine, which converts the Java code into a byte code, which is finally run on the JVM. JVM, which converts a Java code into the byte code. This JRE, Java Runtime Environment, also contains certain libraries which are used while doing a Java programming. You will come to know about the libraries when we start discussing about the programming. And JDK contains compiler and other tools like debugger, jar tool, which bundles a Java file into jars, and Java doc tool, which generates the documentation from the Java comment. Let us understand some more details about JDK, JRE and JVM. Here JDK means Java Development Kit, used to develop, compile and run the Java programs. Who needs it? It is needed for Java developers. Even if you are developing a automation code using Java, then also you need a Java Development Kit. And another one is JRE, which is Java Runtime Environment. It provides an environment to run the Java program. It does not contain the development tools. You can just run the Java based application using JRE. It is needed for end users who run the Java based applications. And JVM is a Java virtual machine which will convert the Java code into a machine code for execution. And it is a part of JRE and JDK, as we have seen in the earlier picture. We can understand this even better with a real world analogy. For example, JDK is like a copy machine where developer can create a coffee using a copy machine, and JRE like a coffee powder, water and cup which are needed to make the coffee. JVM is the process that makes the coffee drinkable, which mixes all these things and makes the coffee ready. So these three are the important components of the Java environment. Thank you for watching.